This is Aiden watching Diego and his new little play toy. His feet touch the ground.
Diego, you found the flute.
You don't want to get that other one?
The flute! Granny Mouse running away! We need to see where he's going. We can find out if Click's Super Zoom.
Hi.
Say, Super Zoom!
Hi, buddy.
We're here, and there's Granny Mouse with the flute. He's running to his palace. If we don't stop him before he gets there, we'll never get the magic flute back.
Do you
Don't worry,
like
amigo.
Diego?
We'll get it back. Come on.
Yes, he does.
There's too much fog. I can't see which way to go. Falcon can help. He has really good eyesight. Help us follow Falcon. When you see Falcon, say Falcon.
Falcon. Hey.
Falcon!
We're going to send you guys a